Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to sell physical products on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, products, community, email, audience and sales. In the top right corner, we have your profile and your messages. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell physical products on Podia. So go to click on products in the left top side of the screen here, as you can see, and click all products. Or of course, you can go and click a new product to create a new product. And here, when you create a new product, you just need to go and select physical product from the product description. So when you're of course creating your product, whichever of these product is, then enter the name, description, and everything, include information such as the price, sharing options, and any other relevant details. Configure the shipping options of your product. You'll need to enter your business address and choose the shipping method you offer. Then click Publish. Podia will handle the payment processing and order management for you, making it easy to sell physical products alongside your digital offerings. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.